A dissertation is a very personal endeavor. It is often the culmination of any doctoral student's life experience and identity. Yet, at doctoral workshops, where many research projects are presented in turn, I have noticed that many students don't explain their relationship to their study. Perhaps they believe a position of seeming detachment, neutrality, or objectivity is the norm in social scientific research, but it is not. Sociologist Robert Park, founder of the naturalistic tradition, had a reputation for helping students discover worthy research topics based upon their personal histories. And a landmark textbook on social scientific methodology opens with a chapter on starting where you are and the relevance of personal biography. Here, go ahead and situate yourself in your research. Make yourself a part of its story. Such revelations do not weaken a research design. Rather, they enhance its authenticity and humanity. The personal context helps observers to better evaluate and appreciate your work.